Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to visit the monkey park here in Kyoto, and I believe it's gonna be an amazing experience just because they are kinda in the wild. They are marked as wild monkeys here, but there's an option up there to feed them as well, but I'm not going into that. I just want to see them running around doing their own stuff peacefully without intervening too much with them. That's gonna be nice, hopefully. So yeah, see you up there. Hey, so just visited the monkey park in Kyoto, and beautiful experience. They're quite adorable, and they're just playing around, having fun, getting massaged by their parents. Yeah, so cool. I kind of wish we all had this simple life, but we're all trying to make it hard, right? Okay, see you there. So tonight's hunting, we boarded us with some, this is horse, and some octopus, some tuna, salmon, and some shark's heart. So we got, shark, octopus, tuna, salmon, and horse. This is the most interesting dinner I've had today. Let's see how it is. So let's try this shark. What the fuck did I just do, guys? What did I put myself into? This was the weirdest dinner I've had so far. Shark's heart. Wow. Who invented that? Octopus never tastes good, in my opinion. And then I had some salmon and tuna, which was good as usual. And the last piece was horse. Normally we make fun of people who eat horse, but it was okay, actually, quite good. So I started with McDonald's the first night in Tokyo, and now I've had all these weird things. I mean, it's an experience to try all these things. So this is tonight's bed capsule. They provide you with some free stuff, some earplugs, always usable. Hostels and cotton set, pocket tissues, much more. And so this is the iPod where you control everything in here. Open to the remote. Okay, everything is in Japanese. Almost. Okay, this is interesting.